guys, my name is Sinia and today I'm going to do this fox eye or cat eye, whatever eye you call it. I am going to do that, so keep watching if you want to know how I did it. And to be honest, this is my first time trying this, so let's get started. What I'm gonna start with is I am gonna do my brow first, and we want to give this a look like this, like this. And also there is a hair trick that I recently learned. I'm also gonna show you guys that. Okay, so first let's get started with the brow. Since the brow has to be not arched, like it's kind of straight, has to be kind of like this. So I'm gonna try to, you know, shape it, like totally reshape it, new shape. So let's try it. And I am using my Anastasia, so I am going to use, oops guys, seriously, that's me. And I am using this brush. I don't know why I am dropping things today. So what I'm gonna do is, like, I'm just gonna fake it that my brow is actually, on the other day I learned a trick. Like, if you brush it upward, not downward, like it's kinda looks like that. Do you see? And if you have like an arched over here, you can just cover it up with the brow thingy. There's so many words that I can't say properly, so bear with me. It's better if you use like brow gel or something, but currently I don't have one. I am going to do my this brow, then I'm coming right back. I feel like my this brow is more arched than this one, because this is what it turned out. But let me see how much I can cover up with that, what is it called, concealer. Oh, so I'm gonna be using this one, and I'm also using my brush that I shape my brow with. Where is it? Can't find it. Coming right back. Well, I think I dropped it somewhere, but I'm going to use this one. That was kind of like round shaped, and it's so easier with those kind of brushes to like really cover up any like mistakes or anything. But let's see how this one works for me. Okay, don't look at my dirty mirror. Well, I have done this one. I don't know how much trouble I will have for this one. Anyway, no matter what I do, I will still have that hair trick that I'm still going to make it like this. So don't worry much, I think. Okay guys, let's jump into the main part. So I am, for the eyeshadow, I am sorry, I do not have expensive palettes. So whatever I have, I am going to use that. Okay, so I have this palette from, I know this is a hard candy palette. I have two of them. I am actually satisfied with their pigmentation, so I am just gonna use these two. So guys, I am going to use this brush, but why I'm using this is kind of like floppy on this side, but like really thin. It's kind of like this. So I am going to use this light color shade right here, just to, like, you know, build the color. You want to start with the light color, acting like I know everything, but I don't. Yo, this is too light. Moving on to this color right here. Like, whatever you do, you want to like like always go like this to create that look. I don't know guys if you can see the color, how it's kind of like creating. Then guys, I'm gonna be using this color right here. It's a brown, a little bit darker than the other one. You like the same thing like right here. Now guys, what I did, it's kind of like shimmery, not totally matte, but unfortunately I have to go with this color. I don't know if you can see it. I am going to do that, like I already applied a little bit. So I'm going to use one of this brow brush now. I am going to now take this black eyeshadow with this brush and I am going to have it like not from my like under eye, where the under eye starts, but a little bit up, so my eyes look upward. And I'm also using this to my inner corner. Guys, look the difference, like this one looks way rounder than this one. Then I'm going to use this brush again to just blend it. Kind of. I'm going to use this wet wipe to clear off this underneath part. No, I'm not crying. I just put it some I just put it my contact lens on because contact lenses on because a brown girl like me, like to be able to get this look, create this look, you definitely need contact lenses because our eyes, our pupil is too dark, which is still beautiful, definitely beautiful, but I feel like this will give that more cat eye look, so I just put in my contact lenses on. I am going to first apply this lashes. So since like it's a cat eye look, my lashes is kind of like all over, so I'm just gonna cut them in half and just gonna apply it right here. Hold on, cut it up. I am going to apply my what is it, mascara first. Oh my god, I don't know why I'm forgetting things today, but I am going to curl my lashes first. Oh, I think I like the look. I'm just gonna cut it in half. So I am taking the front of this, then I'm just gonna apply right here because mine is kind of like this, so I'm using this middle part on my outer corner. So if you have like lash like me, you know what to do with it. You have to place the corner and then the middle part right in the corner. And for my lash glue, guys, I use this lash glue. I will give the description, I will give the details of this below in the description box, so you can go check it out. Oh my god, guys, you cannot say my eyes looks like I don't know, catty kind of vibe. I still have that hair trick to do, guys. I don't know if it is too long for my lashes, but so now I'm gonna do this eye, then I'll be right back. Oh my god, guys, I look totally different. Okay, so now here is the time that I'm gonna do my face. I have already put my foundation on, you guys. Now I am going to apply some contour and stuff and concealer. So for the concealer, I'm going to use, I don't really know if I need that a little bit. Yeah, I do. You can always need concealer. For my contour, I use this stick from Wet n Wild. So I like to just put them right there, and like I feel like I have square face. To blend this blushing brush, because I can never blend this good with my any other things. Then I am gonna be baking with my loose powder. Wow, looks nicer, I think. Well, now I'm gonna move on to the blushing. I am using this Rimmel Maxi Blush Powder Blush, and it's 001 Dark Beige. So I am gonna be using that right on the apple of my cheeks. I have so much baby hair. For my highlighter, I'm using this Hard Candy blushing palette. You guys can't think, but me, I am so in love with Hard Candy brand. Really, I buy them because they're so cheap. I'm using this brush that I used for my eyelids. I am applying the eyeshadow under my under eyelids. For my under eyelashes, guys, I am using this because it's like kind of nicer on the tip. Like the brush of this is kind of nicer. It's like kind of thin, so it's easier for me to use it under eyelashes. Now for the lips, I'm going to use a really nude color. I'm going to be using this liquid lipstick, Maybelline New York Stay Matte, and I'm going to use this. The shade is 130. Lately I've been using this a lot. And I'm going to be using a little bit of this. Well guys, I'm pretty much done with my makeup, if I did not forget anything. Now lastly, I'm going to use this, you can literally like here, there is not much product. I'm going to use my setting spray. Now I'm gonna be moving on to my hair. So guys, like, you want to pull your hair like this to make it look more extra fox kind of thingy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use this clip, hair clip, just to section it off and take other parts and I'm going to be tie them like really tightly. You don't want to do it for a longer period of time because it will start to hurt. So I'm just taking some sort of hair from here and like kind of secure it right here. So guys, now what we're gonna do is like we're gonna take a section, like a square section right here. Like, I don't know if I can show you properly. Like right here. I'm sorry. And then guys, what we are gonna do is we're gonna get them to the back, like you see. Now if you pull it, this one, if you pull it to kind of make that look, and I am going to tie it like really tightly. You can see it literally pulled up some skin there, and like I can't explain, but you see like you can have that pulling kind of look while your hair is down, but for this look I kind of feel like going for a cute bun or something. So let me figure out what I'm gonna do, and I'll be right back with my hair done. So see you. Well guys, I decided to go with a ponytail, and since I have bangs it was really hard to, but I kind of feel like this is looking cute. And also my mom likes ponytails a lot, so once in a while I can listen to her, right? I hope you guys all enjoyed it, and I really hope that you guys like my videos. So, and also do not forget to come in the future to see my videos, and for that you definitely need to subscribe my channel. So subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get notification whenever I'm here on the screen. And don't forget to like, comment below that how you liked it, and share if you want to, and see you in the future in the next video. So I hope you all like it. I don't know what I'm saying, but guys,